There is this very wealthy man from Unofia, a neighboring town that shares boundaries with Enugu-ukwu. He's a bully. He bullies poor people and collects their lands without them doing anything nor collecting it back from him by any means possible. He have forcefully collected lots of lands from many widows in Enugu-ukwu. Even if he buys your land, he will still send people to collect the money from you. So either the land or money is gone. There's this land in the boundaries that connects to Enugu-ukwu, Nofia and another town. So whenever there is a buyer, the three town youths heads will be present to get their own town share of the land sold. So there was a burial in Enugu-ukwu and all the youths of Enugu-ukwu were present digging the grave. And there is these two very strong guys in Enugu-ukwu that have been the ones in the forefront making sure Enugu-ukwu always get their complete commission from every land sold amongst the three towns. So that fateful day a call came in by one of their own that there are people who want to buy land and they should come now, unknown to them that the person that called them is being held hostage by the Nofia wealthy man's thugs. And almost 20 of the youths from Enugu-ukwu, including their leader and his assistant, were included in the movement. They forgot to fortify themselves, like they always do before going to that land, because it's always bloody each time there's a buyer. So they didn't do it, they just left like that. So on getting to the land, that very wicked man already had assassins on ground to kill them, all the Enugu-ukwu youths that will be present. These guys ambushed them, and the moment they got there they opened fire on them, and their leader and his assistant were killed at the spot, alongside 5 others. That's total of 7 guys. Many were injured with bullet wounds where some broke their legs and arms in the process of running for their lives. So the fight was really not against Nofia and Enugu-ukwu, but they were not aware or part of that mission. That whole mission was carried out by that terror of a man. But Enugu-ukwu youths are saying it's going to be a war between them and Nofia. But Enugu-ukwu elders are saying that they are not in support of declaring war against Nofia. The fight should be between them and that man. So they are still deliberating on the issue. But the problem now is that the 2 strongest guys on ground for Enugu-ukwu were killed, so that is the major reason for retaliation. So the guy in this video is one of the survivors of the shootouts. Hope you understand it clearly now.